Greetings, my name is John Carter, and you're watching an Added Effects Training, a division of Design Effects. This particular video series involves the web design platform Wix.com. Although I do design in multiple platforms, I do the majority of my work within Wix because it is a robust platform allowing for the incorporation of pretty much everything that I use to create a solid, impressive website for my clients. Also, from the standpoint of a designer with a fine arts background, it allows me to deal with the technical aspects of designing a website from a more visually creative level, something that means a great deal to me as an artist with a print and illustration background. Also, as a Wix webmaster and trainer, I use the skills gained in this training to create learning materials for my clients and my design learners, which would be you. Feel free to dig in and ask questions as appropriate on our social media platform. And feel free to reach out by email if you like. Since learning is an ongoing process, if I don't know the answers, we'll learn them together. So let's get to it. Welcome and enjoy the learning process.